Welcome to Happiness with Hema. If your child is suffering with cold and cough very consistently and you're tired of those symptoms, so here is a simple home remedy which can bring the mucus out. So you try this method as well and let me know whether it worked well for your kid. I'm trying today everything from the scratch. I'm also feeding her something which she loves and which is very nutritious, so maybe you can get inspired and you can try this at home. So before I start, if you're somebody who's watching my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with somebody who might be happy to try this and who might be looking out for some home remedy just like that. It is tried and tested. I used to do this for my son and I'm trying with my little one today as well. So you also try and let me know how it worked with you. So over to the video. Enjoy the video. Daughter got too much of cough. So what I've given her to eat is honey. So she's licking honey, eating it slowly. Okay. And by the time she is eating honey, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare one bag like this. Okay. So I'm going to put a bag like this. And in this bag, I'm going to put some onions. Okay. So all these onions are going to go inside and make a layer of it. Okay. So we'll make a layer of the onions. So this much, like one onion here, one onion here. And now Raina, what are you going to do? Raina is going to put her feet inside this onion. And we are going to close. Yeah, we'll throw this later on, Raina, don't worry. Okay, and now.
But we cannot throw food.
Yeah, we will throw this because this is for the cure. Food always cure us, Raina. So now we'll fold this from here and see the onions are down here, and we are going to make her. Raina, you have to hold it from here. Can you help me? Yeah. So she is holding it. And I'm going to make her wear this socks. And now this is going to be sealed like this. Okay. So now you see we've got a bag, hot bag. We have got a hot bag. So I'm going to keep this hot bag down here. Wait. Cover this hot bag nicely, and then Raina is going to put both her feet on this hot bag. Yes, and this is going to bring all Raina's mucus out. Raina, I'm going to give you one little small more for honey. Finish this. There's a lot of honey. So she's licking her honey. Honey is going to cure her, and she's also putting. So it's a spa treatment for my Raina. And Raina got one cap today. She is going to wear this. Okay.
No,
you finish?
No,
and then make sure, because there's going to be a lot of nosy coming out, so you have to make sure that you make the child blow like this. Raina. Nicely blow it. Maybe I'll help you. Yeah. No. It's not enough. Do it. Chew. One more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. Yes. That's right. Good girl. And now Raina is going to eat her honey first, and then we are going to eat lot of sunflower seeds. That's her favorite. Raina's favorite. So I'm going to give her sunflower seed one by one. She's going to eat it. I'm going to peel it for her and she's going to eat it. Whenever you are not well, you need to eat very healthy. Yes, Raina? So we are also preparing some nice Sheera, which I'm going to show you what she's going to eat. Okay, she loves halwa. So I'm going to make a Sheera made out of almond milk. So in almond milk, we have put a lot of almonds, we have put a lot of raisins, we have put some other nuts like walnut and pumpkin seeds, and all these things we'll put it in a water and we'll churn it, and after churning it, it becomes nice smoothie. Then so here it is like almond, raisins, walnut, dates, pumpkin seeds. So all this mix which we have soaked at the night time. So this is a mix of that, and now we are going to put avocado also. So we are going to scoop avocado and we are going to put avocado. Yes. So one full avocado will go there. So this will make it as a nice smoothie. And this one, this watery thing, we will put it for the. So this is halwa, like suji. We are roasting it nicely in a slow anch. Maybe 1 spoon of oil you can put and then just roast it. Like it. So make sure when you are roasting it, even after water, you are cooking it very well. So more well you will cook it, more tastier it will taste to a child who's eating. Because especially during cold and cough, the kids' taste buds are totally gone. So it's better you're doing it very, in a slow heat, roasting it well, so that the kids find very tasty to the palate. Although in my smoothie I've already put dates and raisins, which will give a little sweetness, but then I'm putting 2 spoon of jaggery, or you can do malacca, the coconut jaggery. So that will bring out nice iron content also, and tasty also to make. Mix sheera of badam, avocado, all healthy stuff. Mix in suji. So ideal for kids to have it as a sweet dish, as a breakfast. The socks with the onions, and she's able to work also with that. She came all the way to kitchen. Okay. So come Raina, your things are getting ready in kitchen. So kids can wear this onions and socks combination for at least 1 hour or 30 minutes. Walk slowly, huh? Raina's sheera is ready, made of very healthy stuff. Raina, you tell me what all is there in the sheera?
Almonds.
Almonds. Eating, Raina? What are you eating?
Halwa.
You like it? Okay. Take a bite and let me know what all is there inside. Mera Puttu will tell everyone. Whoever is watching, please listen to Raina. Raina is going to tell what all is inside the halwa. We call it sheera, almond,
Sheera.
raisins.
Raisin.
Then there was one fruit which we were cutting. You saw that? Avocado. Okay. There's avocado inside. There is raisins. There's walnut. There is pumpkin seeds. So we soaked this all yesterday night. And then in that same water where we have soaked raisins and even dates. Yeah, there is a date also inside. Okay. 2-3 dates. So all that thing we have soaked inside, and then in the morning we churned that in the mixie jar. Keep your feet on. Raina's feet are still on this because she's getting the heat of this and she's eating the healthy stuff of this. She will be all right. She's getting strength and power. Look at her muscles are also growing. For this onion socks combination, best is when kids are sleeping. So while they are sleeping, let them wear overnight, and in the morning you will see good results. The mucus, the cold and cough really get little subsided. Smiley. Okay, let's remove this. Let's eat comfortably. So Raina is going to finish this completely nicely. I'm also eating, Raina, with you. Can I also eat? Okay. So okay guys, so we both are eating very healthy stuff. So this is chila, which I am introducing to Raina as a pizza. It is made of a sprouted dal, and Raina is eating sheera, which is made of, I already told you what it is, and we both are going to eat together. And she's going to have more if she want to have. She might get all this also if she like it, and she have to finish this also. Now Raina and me, we both are eating. We are taking some sheera, putting on the chila like this.
Now I can open my socks.
No, not now. Wait. I told you when after. And then Raina is going to eat this. She's loving it. I think it's a good combination, Raina. What do you say? Anna? I'm also eating like that. Not with my peanut chutney. I'm going to eat it with my sheera. And I'm going to enjoy. How's it? Nice combination, Anna. Cheers. So try this with your kids and let us know. Okay? Bye. So, okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with somebody who is not well and have cough and
if
cold.
you are also sick and you also have a cold and cough like Raina, you can do all this. Put your feet, under your feet you can put some onions, and you can put a little hot pad, and then put your feet on that, and then you can also eat this kind of a healthy Sheera, which can relieve you, give you strength, and makes you all right. Okay, see, she finished. Good one. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your other friends who want to get well like Raina.